Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Jupiter, and I'm standing on a beautiful Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. This is one of my personal favorite boats and really look forward to showing it to you. Off the transom here, you'll see that this boat is equipped with max horsepower, triple V12 600s. I'll tell you, out of the hole, this boat launches. Great up on plane. And with these engines, you really get a lot of agility out of it. It's a lot of fun to run. I've been on this boat 16, 18 people, jumps right up on plane, and it's a blast just to drive. You'll see in here in the cockpit, you've got a lot of open space to work a fish. You've got padded bolsters around to to help make it nice when you're hooked up on a big fish. You've got huge fish boxes. I could probably lay down in that fish box. And then, but if you're riding out to the spot here, got a huge fold down bench seat. Can easily put 3 or 4 people there. Facing forward here, you've got a nice prep station. You've got 3 tackle drawers, aquarium live well. You've got a fridge. You've also having a aft port. You've got another live well there. So you got 2 on this boat. A great spot here if you're out fishing. You got your paper towels, sink, live well, electric grill, which is one of my favorite options. Everybody's over at the sandbar having soggy sandwiches, and you could be grilling up burgers, dogs, kebabs, all kind of stuff there. So with this this layout, there's really no compromise. You've got your summer kitchen bait prep area here. And then this second row of forward-facing seating flips out. Solid, super comfortable spot. You'll notice too that it's raised up a little bit higher than the seats in front of it, so you're not necessarily staring into the back of somebody's head. You've got 6 AC vents here, so your guests are super comfortable while underway. And then this boat has a lot of upgrades. We loaded this boat up with options. This one's got the new high gloss teak package, which you'll see on the back of the seats, and then throughout the boat with different accents. Just really adds a nice pop to it. You've got up at the helm here, it's the triple 16 Simrad NSO screens. That's the latest and greatest from Simrad. Super user friendly, easy to use. A lot of different engine diagnostics, charts, fish finders all built in. Got your joystick, so if you're docking or maneuvering in tight spaces, really just takes all the stress out of boating. Super easy to use, and it's intuitive. So if you haven't run one before, if we spend a few minutes out on the water showing you the capabilities of it, you feel real comfortable docking that. You've got your glove box, control here for spotlight. This one it's Abaco blue, and we've got Abaco blue underneath the hardtop to match. So super good looking boat. The cabin here you'll see is huge. This is a very unique boat in the 42-foot range where Whaler has. It's a full beam cabin, so much more spacious than anything else you'll see out there. You've got a huge wraparound couch. Right now we've got the filler cushion in for a table that you could lift up here if you're hanging out down here. This couch will actually pull out as well, so if you are going to plan to overnight on the boat, gives you a lot more space. That cushion there flips up, and it goes even a little bit deeper that you could use for storage or additional head foot room. You've got your fridge, microwave, TV, sink, nice setup there. And then the head on this boat is huge. You've got a rainfall shower, ton of space. Nice that it's got a door here to close off. Got fold down trolling seats right here. So cool spot when you're running. You can watch your lines. Stepping up to the bow. I mean, you'll notice I could spend hours going through some of the cool features and options on here. But this boat has the premium JL audio sound system. You'll see speakers, subwoofers all throughout the boat. These are nice lockers. You could put lines, different storage. And then up at the bow, this boat's a fishing machine, but it's designed for versatility. So you've got a lot of spots that you could entertain, lay out. You've got flip up backrest here. Beautiful high gloss table. As you can see, we've got the cushion on it. That'll drop down flush. Huge area to lay out. And with this backrest, port side, and over here, you can have 5 people laying out forward facing with their feet up, all enjoying the ride. Fold down armrest with cup holders built in. You've got a bunch of storage under here. This is definitely a boat that you're gonna wanna see in person. Again, my name is Jordan with MarineMax Jupiter. Ask for me and I look forward to hearing from you.